Hey guys, Steve Welch here. Wanted to show you on the 2019 through 2025 Toyota Rav4 how to install the front bracket for the license plate, right? So first question you normally have is, where do you find it, right? Well, if you got it new, that bracket is going to be in the vehicle. Usually it is in the back, right back here. You'll normally find it somewhere like right down here. You know, it could be just laying in the back, but what you're going to find is you're going to look for this bracket right here, this little thing. You might not think about that being a license plate bracket, but this is exactly what it is a license plate bracket. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get down here right in front of the Rav4 here, and you're going to see there's these two little dimples that are, so you're going to see there's these two little dimples that are on either side right here, and you can see them pretty easily, right? And we're going to actually prep those. So how are we going to prep them? I'm going to show you. I'm going to open my bag, right? When I open my bag, you're going to see you got two little screws that are in here, right? So the head of these screws are a 10 millimeter, or you also have your Phillips that you can see on the top there, but it's a 10 millimeter. What I like to do is I like to grab a nut driver, which looks kind of like this. Next thing, so before you put the bracket up here, find those two little holes. Once you do that, you're gonna just kind of come up to it, give it a good push. Once you give it a good push, you're gonna start it into the vehicle, right? If you're right-handed, use your right hand maybe. And the other one, same thing. We're going to start it into this side, right? So you can kind of see how I just kind of started it. Now you come back up, you got your starting holes there. Then you take your bracket. Your bracket's got a little recess on either side. These screws don't go in this clip. These screws go on either side, right? And what you'll notice is this side gives you your little elongate right here. So this side do first. You let it hang there. Take your other bolt out right there. Lift that up. Like I said, you got a little bit of fudge room on this one. And then you just kind of drive that in there until it's tight. Don't over tighten it. You can pull it out. It's just plastic, of course, so you don't need to over tighten it. It's where it's good and snug on either side. And now your bracket's there. You'll need the two screws. It doesn't come with those two screws for your plate, but those are just standard license plate screws. But that right there is how you put your front bracket on your Toyota Rav4 from a 2019 through a 2025 version. There you go. Steve Welch, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.